What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Y'all, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back.
I am going to be installing this crochet hair. I know it's been a little minute since y'all seen me doing a full video, but yeah. So I saw two videos that use this hair. I'm gonna give credit where credit is due. I did not come up with this, but the first pack of hair is this 3X knotless. This is the Ocean Wave hair by Bobbi Boss, and I got it in the color 1B. Yeah, so it's 3X. I feel like I used this hair before when I did a style back in 2023. Yeah, 2023. So this is just what the hair looks like. And then we got this hair by Sensational. It's the deep Ruwa 3X. And then this one is basically a deep wave kind of hair. Now I used their hair before, but I used the water wave when I did some passion twists. So I don't think I used this hair before, but it's perfect for crochet braids. I only have one of each pack, and by the looks of it, I think that's gonna be enough. This one's 18 inches, the other one is 20 inches, so I'm gonna have to cut that one. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all what the hair looks like outside of the pack real quick. Cause y'all know when I do my crochet videos, my install videos, I don't like to talk too much. So, but I'm gonna show y'all what the hair looks like outside of the pack. Okay, so this is the Bobbi Boss hair. This is just what it looks like. That's what the ends look like. Here's it up close. And then this is the Sensational Ruwa hair. Totally different. This one's a tighter wave. This one's a looser wave. So, but this one's deep ocean, and that's always been the difference. Deep wave has always been a tighter curl than ocean wave. Ocean wave has always been a looser curl. And then this is just what the end looks like. It's a little bit more curlier. So I have a braiding rack, and I'm gonna just separate the hair on my braiding rack. But as you can see, this is what it looks like, and it's gonna be cute. This is how I have the hair on the braiding rack. I will have this linked, but I think I might only use 2 bundles from each pack. This is the back. And y'all, the hair together is so pretty. I can completely see why people are doing this, but let's go. Let's see. Okay, so everybody knows crocheting is really easy. You can do this if you're not good with braids. You could do a braidless crochet, but all I do is just take the needle and place it under my braid. Part method, all I do is really easy. When I first started doing crochet hair, I was like, I'm never doing this, it's so complicated. You put the latch hook on there, Place the hair on the needle, close it, pull it through, and you're just going to take only one piece of the hair. So I usually tuck mine like that. Take one piece and you're just gonna knot the one strand of hair. This is easy. I know there's another method that's going on. I still gotta learn that one, but this is basically all you do. Pull it tight, and there you go. I'm gonna show y'all one more time. So now I am going to do this again. Now for the invisible method, you wanna make sure you put them together as close as possible. There we go. Remember, we're just pulling one strand through. Let me tuck that one. Okay, that's one, that's two, and then that's three. Get that other piece of hair, pull it tight. But yeah, that's basically all y'all do. That's it. It's really easy. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. This is just, yo, these spam callers are so annoying. Okay, so this is the finished look. This is just me with a middle part. This is the back. Yeah, highly recommended. Highly recommended. This will be so perfect for fall though. Let me show y'all how much. This is how much hair I have left. This is the deep wave, and then this is the ocean wave, and then this is the deep wave. This is how much I have left out of each pack. And yeah, so y'all know I love to do me a side part when it comes to my crochet styles. But I do like the versatility of being able to switch it up. And this is what we working with right now, and I like it. It's full, but it's not too full. I'm glad I just got those 2 packs, one of each. So yeah, I cut it so it can all match up, because like I said before, the ocean wave is longer than a deep wave. The ocean wave is 22 inches and a deep wave is, I'm happy with this. You guys, if y'all want a review, please let me know and I will come back with a review. I will see y'all next time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye y'all.